The Song and Drama Division of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India, have taken up this initiative to take up a campaign against malnutrition, which is prevalent in a very high numbers in our state as well as in the country. Particularly coming to Andhra Pradesh, the malnutrition is very high, but among the children, that is from 0 to 6 years of age, and then amongst the newly born children. From our experience, we have seen that any form of folk art, whether it is drama or play or songs, it has a huge long-lasting impact on the people's mind because they relate it with their cultural and social issues. So this particular song and drama artist, who will be briefed by our department that what kind of messages they need to propagate in the society over a period of next 1 month. As all of us know that malnutrition is not only because of lack of income, it's also because of lack of awareness about what kind of food we should eat, what kind of food products should be cultivated. So therefore, with this IEC campaign covering all these aspects of malnutrition should have a kind of positive impact in eradication of malnutrition in our state and ultimately in the country level, which will help us in having a better quality of population and definitely a healthier population with more productivity and thereby a better healthy society. No, now Song and Drama Division of Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, because of the instruction they have received from Government of India, they are doing it in Andhra Pradesh and they have been doing it periodically. In addition to the central government, we from Government of Andhra Pradesh, from our department, we have been taking this IEC campaign by name Mahila Sishu Chaitanyam. So that is a week-long campaign which starts at the grassroots, at the village level, then up to the mandal division and the district level, culminates at the district level. So from the department we have been doing this kind of campaign, but Government of India has come forward to do this campaign particularly on malnutrition now at this point of time.